Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about UTR-433, which is a universal timer from Multispan. Inside this timer, you get three functions: delay on, delay off, cyclic mode. Let's start with the wiring connections. On terminals 1 and 2, we have given line and neutral, and this accepts a 100 to 270 volt AC supply. On terminals 3, 4, and 5, we have connected an NPN proximity sensor. If you don't want to use a proximity sensor, you can operate it with an N-type push button on terminals 4 and 5. For reset, terminals 6 and 7 are provided. On the right side, terminals 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 are the relay output terminals. This is a single relay with two changeovers, meaning 2NO normally open contacts, 2NC normally closed contacts. For the demo, we looped the line into terminal 10, common. From terminal IO, we have connected one via 2N LED. The LED's neutral is connected directly to terminal 2. This means whenever the relay turns on, our LED will glow. To enter settings, press and hold the set key. Hold until pass appears. Release the button. Enter the password, 25. Use the left arrow to move between digits. Press set again to enter the main settings. Inside function selection, you will see cycle on, cycle off, delay on, delay off. Let's understand delay off first. You will get 1. Unit selection. Choose seconds, minutes, hours. 2. Range selection. If you want a decimal point, you can enable it here. 3. Time direction. Up counting, down counting. 4. Memory option. Yes, retains timing after power failure. No, restarts from 0. 5. Pulse function. You get 3 pulse modes. Trigger mode. The timer starts only when the sensor push button is triggered. Enable pulse mode. The timer runs only while the input pulse is present. As soon as the pulse is removed, the timer stops. Power on mode. The timer starts automatically as soon as power is on. We will first understand trigger mode. Exit with enter. Press set once, set your timing. For demo, we set 5 seconds. Press enter to save. To reset, press enter for 3 seconds. Now, since we are in trigger mode, the moment the proximity sensor detects, the timer starts counting down from 5 seconds. During this period, relay remains on. After 5 seconds, relay turns off. If I trigger again, the relay turns on for another 5 seconds, then off again. If we change the function to delay on, the behavior reverses. After entering settings, select delay on. Save and exit. Now, when I give a trigger, the timer will count 5 seconds first. And after 5 seconds, the relay will turn on continuously until I reset it manually. In cyclic mode, you get 2 options: cycle on, cycle off. Let's understand both. Inside cycle on, first, set the number of cycles. Example, set to 2 cycles. Then set on time T1, off time T2. Example, T1 is equal to 5 seconds. T2 is equal to 5 seconds. Cycles is equal to 2. Now, when I trigger, the relay will turn on for 5 seconds and off for 5 seconds. 1 cycle completed. The cycle repeats second time. After completing 2 cycles, the timer stops automatically. In cycle off time runs first, on time runs after. Example, off is equal to 5 seconds, on is equal to 5 seconds, cycles is equal to 2. Behavior, trigger off time first, on time second. Repeats twice. The timer stops after completing cycles. Reset anytime using the reset terminal or enter press hold. So this was the complete explanation of the UTC-433 universal timer. Its wiring, delay on, delay off, and cyclic functions.